Alright, you guys, we are cleaning up today. What's today's date? So today is April 17th, 2025, and we are currently just tidying up the house and just getting everything kind of sorted. I did a load of laundry already, and we have the laundry already drying, so we're almost done with that. I already put some clothes away. So this is how my table area is looking right now. It is looking a little crazy. I have this clean blanket over here. I need to put that somewhere else. I need to figure that out. And then I have, you know, obviously we have like my makeup brushes and all these other makeup products over here, but we want to kind of tackle this and just make it look more aesthetic, if not just like clear. I just want it like clear, and I don't want anything like showing. Also, I have a bunch of random stuff on the window here. We have ducks that we got from Dave & Buster's, and then we have these like Happy Meal toys that we got like around last year. So these are like the Disney collection. This is just the McDonald's one, but I do want to keep them because I know, I don't know, maybe in the future they'll be worth something. I don't know, but we'll keep them. But I do want to like get rid of them. Also, I want to maybe redo this. I don't know, I kind of want to redo it, not sure, but yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna do a time lapse.
The spaghetti with meat sauce. I literally parked right there because it's yellow, but there's a bunch of cars on the street.